Jamaica's Sunshine Girls' fate in the Netball World Cup is now out of their own hands following back-to-back defeats at the tournament in Liverpool, England. Shoshana McGowan tells us more.
The Sunshine Girls started the World Cup as one of the favourites after improving to number 2 in the world. But all that came crumbling down over the last 2 days. Commonwealth champions England Roses handed the Sunshine Girls their second loss, beating them by 8 goals, ending 56-48 on Monday. The Sunshine Girls were down by only 2 goals after the first 15 minutes at 14-12. But with the Roses supporters cheering loudly, the atmosphere inside the M&S Bank Arena went up a notch, and they maintained their 2-goal lead to end the half 28-26. The English came out the break even more determined and quickly extended their lead to 5 goals before ending the third quarter on 44-36. Danielle Fowler, who was excellent on the day with 43 goals from 43 attempts, kept the belief alive in the Sunshine Girls camp, but turnovers ruined their momentum. On the final whistle, the Roses edged closer to the semi-finals and left Jamaica's Sunshine Girls' Final Four hopes hanging in the balance. The Sunshine Girls must now win their last 2 games against Scotland and Uganda and hope that South Africa or England lose 2 of their remaining games for them to stand a chance to advance to the semi-finals. Jamaica's Sunshine Girls will play Scotland on Wednesday and Uganda on Thursday. Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.